Ladies and gentlemen, Taylor here from Property Brokers, and welcome to this absolutely beautiful architecturally designed lifestyle property. Now you're only a short drive from Palmers North and Fielding, and you're situated on 2 acres of gorgeous flat land. The property, phenomenal. 5 bedrooms, a gorgeous kitchen with stone bench tops, rake ceiling, it really has it all. And externally, you've got amazing outdoor living as well as a 200 square metre separate shed. Welcome to 77 Aranui Road.